Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video we are going to be using these leaves, these herbs for a hairspray. If you are new here, my name is Jessica Chunovek, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. So guys, first of all, let's talk about these leaves right here. Here we have basil leaf, and this is fresh thyme, and here we have cloves. Okay, if you guys have been seeing my other video where I did a DIY on cloves, you see that my hair grew a bit. And also if you see my other video where I did a DIY on cloves and ginger, you also see that my hair grew. Alright, so this one we're going to be trying this today, and I'm going to do this for 2 weeks because I like to do something that I am sure that this thing works for. I will bring it up to you guys. So I'm going to try this on my hair, and be writing the benefits of all this in the video, so guys just read it out. Okay, so here we're going to boil this. Okay, we only need the water. It's going to be a spray, it's not going to be an oil. So I'm going to boil all this together and strain it, then we'll see how the water looks like. All right, so let's just jump into this video. All right. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and share and comment. So guys, let me know which other DIY you would like me to try. I'm thinking of doing something with cinnamon, but I am not too sure yet. I need to do my research on that. So when I'm done with my research, and I will bring it up to you guys so that you guys will see it out. Alright, so let's get started guys. My house smells so good right now. Like these three together, it's good for air freshener. Timer is up and this is ready. I'm going to allow this to cool down before I can transfer it. So I'm going to allow this to cool down so I can transfer it. Okay guys, it's all cooled down. I'm going to strain this. On my hair for 2 weeks, but first of all we're going to do a length check for you guys to see the length of my hair, so before and after. Okay, so let's do a length check. So guys, I'm going to do a length check of my hair. So from this is one, like 6 inches, something like that. Okay, so let's do this one. 6 inches. 6 inches from this front. I am done with this challenge, the cloves, basil leaf, and thyme. I am done with this. This is the last one. This is the last day, 14 days, and I've always started losing my hair because I'm not really liking hair, and my hair actually grew, guys. This is shrinkage when it's not wet. This is when it's dry. Sorry, I just have to go with. So these are my lips. So my hair actually grew. This is good. This is really good. So I just continue with the normal routine, and yeah, guys. Of the video, I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done that, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video. And so like and comment and share. So let me know in the comment section if you have tried this before. Let me know in the comment section. And have you guys seen my other videos? I'm gonna put them somewhere here and here. Go bench on that and see how I also grew my hair. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.